on troubleshooting user location errors. You know the exact ticket I'm talking about, right? A user changes schools or site locations, but the system just kind of isn't showing it. So, we're going to walk through a quick step-by-step resolution guide for this, keeping in mind that the root of the issue absolutely always ties back to HR data. First, you've got to gather the essentials. Grab the username, check their reported location, and critically look up what their location is currently listed as in Employee Access, the core HR database. Second, let's look at the technical fix. If the location in Employee Access is actually correct, well, you're just dealing with a simple system delay. So just escalate that ticket right over to a sysadmin so they can force a manual user sync. Easy enough. Finally, let's walk through the administrative step. If the location in Employee Access is wrong, just close the ticket and tell the user they need to contact HR to update their file. Now, why do we do it this way? Because here's the secret. Your IIQ ticketing system runs a direct sync with Employee Access, which literally means every single piece of location data comes exclusively from whatever HR sets. So remember, your ticketing system is basically just a mirror of HR's data. If Employee Access is right, sync it. If it's wrong, send them straight to HR.